What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what's up, everyone? What up, PZ? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Appreciate you, dude, as always. Alright, so happy Friday, guys. Great way to end the week. And what up, Lonzo? What's up, what's up, what's up, dude? Appreciate you as well. And Jared, what's up, what's up, what's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Yeah, so Lonzo, I think you subbed yesterday. So appreciate you, dude. Welcome to the community and the show, family. And I think Jared's been subscribed for a little bit. So appreciate you guys. And what's up, Machete? What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright, so people starting to come in now. Appreciate everyone. Alright, so today is Friday, July 1st, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And what's up, Beelzebub? What's up, what's up, what's up? A lot of people in here coming in nice and early. Appreciate everyone. A proud shareholder of Saiga stock. I am a proud shareholder of Saiga stock. Yeah, we haven't talked about that one in a little bit. Talked about it a couple weeks ago when it did make top 10 StockTwits, but I haven't heard about it since. I'm not even really sure how it's been doing. Let me check it out real quick. Wow, went up a lot today. It's still squeezing. It's still squeezing. Wow. Yeah, so we covered this a couple weeks ago, and it still looks pretty strong here. And it did really good today. So shout out to you, Beelzebub. Congrats on your gains. That market flip-flop flipped kind of like my eggs onto my plate. Yeah, today was pretty crazy. Everything was in the red. And towards the end of the day here, we are getting pretty strong finish. So everything finishes in the green. And yeah, that's why we're in Tendytown today, which we'll get to right now. Alright, guys. So, yeah, happy Friday. Today we're doing the show from Tendytown. Tendytown. Yes. Much needed. Yeah, great way to end the week. You know, still overall really down, but hey, not complaining. So I'll take it. And yeah, you know, like we just discussed, everything was in the red, so nice way to finish the week here and begin the month. I think June was like statistically one of the worst months ever. And so far, actually, 2022 has been the worst half year ever in like 50 years. So, not ever, but in 50 years. So, yeah, it's been really rough. So, maybe, you know, July started something new. Probably not, but one can hope, right? So, yeah. Great day today. And great show for you guys. Don't have too much planned. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today I got 4 articles for you guys. 3 crypto articles and 1 general article. We got articles about BlockFi, FTX, El Salvador, SpaceX / Doge, and last one about monkeypox, which we haven't really heard about lately, but apparently that's still a thing too. So we'll get to that. And today for the analysis, we're only going to do one TA. We're going to do BBIG. Vinco Ventures. Haven't talked about this one in a little bit. And some pretty good price action there today. So we're going to discuss it. And yesterday was TYDE dividend, so that was pretty big. So yeah, a lot of honorable mentions today. There was EVFM. Didn't want to do that again. But that's still hot stock. There was Mullen, which we just talked about yesterday. That was the hottest stock. AMC was more popular than BBIG, but no price action there. Yeah, so actually, ENDP has more mentions than EVFM right now. So, yeah, honorable mentions, ENDP, Redbox, EVFM, and Mullen. But we're just going to do BBIG today. Definitely worth talking about. Yeah, I didn't want to do EVFM, ENDP, and Redbox because we literally talked about all of those this week. So, yeah, we're going to do BBIG today. Should be pretty successful video because apes love BBIG. And by the way, guys, thanks for yesterday. Yesterday was statistically well, depends how you look at it, but in terms of views, it was the greatest show ever. We had like 150, 160 views, which is by far a record. I'm not sure if it was because we had a lot of spammers yesterday, a lot of bots, or because we're talking about Mullen, or just a combination of everything. But in terms of views, yesterday's show was the most successful ever. Not in terms of likes, though. Likes, I think the record was 26 or 28, and we had like 24 views yesterday. So, in terms of likes, almost the greatest show ever. But in terms of views, greatest show ever. So, shout out to you guys. Appreciate you guys. Couldn't do it without you guys. And yep. So today, shouldn't take too long. Don't have too much plans. We'll aim for about hour and a half today. We usually go hour and a half to 2 hours, but I don't have too much planned today. Not too much content to go over, so we'll aim hour and a half. But Fridays is the best day for streaming. Most people will come in and chat on Friday. So I'm thinking hour and a half, but if we go longer, if you guys want to come in and chat, no problem. Always a pleasure to chill and kick it with you guys. So, we'll go hour and a half. I think we'll go hour and a half, but if people just want to chill later on, then we can do that as well. And again, no show on Monday. Monday is July 4th. Happy July 4th, Independence Day. And so we'll be back on Tuesday. Enjoy your long weekend, guys. All right, guys. So, BBIG, 4 articles, BBIG, Yolos. Yolos shouldn't take too long today. Mostly memes. And I think 1 gain coin and a bunch of lost coin. So pretty good stuff today. Wall Street Bets has been slacking, but today was actually pretty good. Should be a pretty good show. I mean, I can already tell it's actually going to be a good show because a lot of people in here already, and I'm sure a lot more people will come in later. So, let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right. Oh, and also, yesterday was the most successful show, but nothing really to show for it. Only got 1 sub, which was Lonzo. That's kind of weird to me. But whatever. I digress. It is hot. It is 89 degrees, and I am sweating. You see it? I'm sweating in here. So I try to stay away from the long sleeves and the shirts in the summertime, but gotta look professional. All right, let's do it. Boom. All right. California is giving out stimulus checks to fight inflation. $1,050 checks. Yeah, we talked about that yesterday. So, I mean, I guess that's good. I don't know if, well, it's good that they're giving checks, but, living in California is probably just not a good deal anyway. So they're helping the Californians out, but just by living there, paying gas, paying rent, and all this other stuff, is it even worth it? You get $1,000 back. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take one from New York right now, but so Californians getting some a subsidy there, subsidize their income, but I think overall, they're taking a bigger L than they're getting for their stimulus checks because everything is just so expensive there. But shout out to California. Wish I could get $1,000 check. What's up, Brucey, baby? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. I don't think you were here yesterday, so welcome back, dude. Been doing horrible out there. Haha, I'm trying. More like learning low. Yeah, dude, well, everyone's getting wrecked. But, you live and learn, and, I wish when I was learning I had a community, stock community, crypto community, and people to talk to and learn from. So, yeah, you gotta start from somewhere. And actually, this is probably the best thing, because you gotta ask a lot of questions, and you didn't make any, crazy expensive Yolos and had to learn that way. But yeah, everyone's getting wrecked so far. But, Yeah, dude, just give it some time. This stuff is hard, you know? It takes years and years of practice to actually get good at this stuff and know what you're doing. So you get there, dude. We'll get there together. Community's going real strong. Growing real big. Alright. So, let's do it. Please smash the like button, guys. Alright. So the Dow Jones up 1.05%. NASDAQ up 0.65%. And S&P up 1.06%. Pretty good day here, huh? I will take it. I will take it. Let's actually look at SPY 1 minute chart, because I don't even know what happened here at the end of the day. I was getting prepared for the show, and I'm like, what the hell happened? Yeah, so... So we actually opened in the green, and then it took a big dump. And then towards 1 o'clock here, it ran all the way back up real strong. Yeah, so crazy volatility here today. But, you know, I'll take it. Definitely not complaining. Finishing the green. Alright, VIX is down 7%. Down 2.01 points. So we're at 26.7 VIX now. Which is better. It's better. Still not great, but a lot better than, you know, earlier in the week and last week. So we are heading in the right direction again. Just for once, please, VIX, get under 20. Or stay under 20, because we, you know, it's having a hard time breaking 20 recently. Whole 2022. And even when we do get below 20, it can't stay below 20. So, yeah, VIX still not great, but it is getting better. But hopefully it actually stabilizes pretty soon. All right, let's get on to the watch list here. Let's start on the red side. All right, so number one loser on my watch list here, Redbox, 17.4%, which is an honorable mention. We're not going to talk about it today because we did it like 2 days ago. Or earlier this week. But yeah, that was a big loss there. And then we got SOS 9%, BBIG 8% down, which we will discuss first today. A lot to talk about. I got AERC still pulling back. Bunch of memes here. Bed Bath & Beyond, Affirm, CEI, XPeng, INDO. Wow, NVIDIA went down 420. Nice. 4.2. Not nice, but nice. You know what I mean. It's at 145 now. AMD as well. AMD down 3.66%. Ouch. Got Intel, Li Auto, HYMC, Neo, Nike, Facebook, HUSA, Peloton, Robinhood, Google, BP, AMC, random stuff. So, yeah, it looks like for the most part, looks like a few select memes and some tech stocks not doing too well today. And China. But everything held up pretty well. This wasn't too bad on the red side. Not too much price action. Let's go to the green side now. So not much price action on this side either, but a lot more green than red. Novavax, 11%. Don't know why. Etsy, 9%. Got Chewy, Roblox, Ocugen, DoorDash. Mullen, honorable mention, 5%. Not going to discuss it today because we did it yesterday. Moderna, 5%. Nothing too crazy here. Virgin Galactic, Coinbase, BitNile, Square. Starbucks up 4%. Big day there. Marathon, Domino's, 3.5. Pretty big. Amazon, 3%. That's really good. Looks like, and Netflix as well, 3%. Looks like travel stocks, airlines, cruises, hotels doing really well. Financials doing pretty good as well. Yeah, a lot of value I see here. Good mix. Got Match, McDonald's, Best Buy, Coke, Marriott, Boeing, Twitter, PayPal, Exxon, Palantir. Yeah, Ally Bank, Wells Fargo, Carnival, Delta Airlines, Disney, Norwegian, Wish. Yeah, a lot of green here, a lot of green. So it seems like for the most part, value did pretty good today. Weren't too many value stocks in the red. A few of them. And growth did pretty good too here. So, yeah, the market didn't go up like crazy high today, but pretty bullish. Yeah, the apes and the boomers did pretty good today. Not like rolling in the dough, but you know, should have finished with some pretty good tendies today. So, yeah, price action wasn't too crazy. Kind of uneventful, but most of the stocks are in the green. So, yeah, I will take it. I will take it. All right, good stuff. Let's get on to crypto now. It's about to be 4:20. It's 4:19, so make a wish, guys. All right. 1 second here. Let me pull up crypto. Let's get the crypto now. Damn, I need a haircut. Gonna get a haircut next week. I feel inflation when I pay for haircuts too now. Pay like $30 a haircut, $35, and I pay for good haircuts. But damn, you know, used to pay like 15, 20. Now I'm paying 30 plus bucks for a haircut. Crazy out here. All right, let me check YouTube real quick before we move on. We are at 6 viewers, 9 likes. 6-9, nice. So thank you guys. Appreciate everyone who's here. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. All right, crypto time. So here's crypto. That is up 2.22% today. All right, so pretty good day in here in crypto as well. Same thing as the stock market. Not like any crazy gains today, but slightly bullish. So I will take it for sure. Let's see what's going on here. Trending, we got Sheeb, Stepin, and SoCal token. Interesting. Let's see what's going on with the actual coins here. So Bitcoin up 2.6%. Pushing 20K again. Actually, it was at 20K yesterday, and then it went right back down. Ether up 5.2%, pushing 1100 again. Binance up 3%. Cardano up 1.6%. XRP down 2%. Doge up 3.7%. Not too much going on here. I see a lot of green, not too much red. Sheeb about 1%. Yeah, pretty much everything's in the green, but not too much price action. FTX 6%, that's pretty good. Yeah, hitting a little lag here, but I see a lot of green. ApeCoin's up a lot, 7%. Yeah, let's sort this out. Oops, hit the wrong button. This one. I'll start on the red side. Alright, so we got, I don't even know how many. 10? We'll call it 15. So there's 15 coins in the red here, 85 in the green. So yeah, not too bad on the red side. Not too much price action. Biggest loser is AMP, 14%. And then Huobi, 9%. And then it drops off from there. It's only one coin in the double digits. And I don't see too much value here except for XRP. So yeah. Price action wasn't bad. Not many coins in the red. Price action wasn't too bad. And it's mostly growth. So yeah. Nothing really holding the market down today except for XRP a little bit. And on the green side, 85% of the coins in the green. Decent amount of price action here. Biggest gainer is Curve DAO, 19%, and Cosmos, 15%. Arweave, 12%. Basic Attention, 11.4%. And then Waves, 9.7%. So it looks like for the most part it's growth leading the way, but there is some value mixed in here as well. Yeah, so nothing too crazy going on. Not the most price action, but pretty bullish. So I'll take it. I will take it. Good way to close the week. So there you have it, guys. Slightly bullish in the stock market, slightly bullish in crypto. So yeah, not bad at all. I'll take the green. Certainly not complaining. And yeah, great way to end the week. Great way to start the month. Hopefully we get some momentum here. So I hope you guys made out pretty good today with some fat tendies. Let's get to some articles now. One second as I pull everything up here. No one's chatting. So, I don't know, maybe today's going to be a slow show. Usually Friday's more popular. But that's alright. If no one chats, then we'll just have a short show. And there's Finno. What up, Finno? What's up? ENDP to $1. What's it at now? Yeah, honorable mention. ENDP. That did make top 10 today. So we're not going to talk about it because I talked about it like a couple days ago. But yeah, ENDP did make top 10 StockTwits. To $1, I don't know. Let's look at it real quick, actually. But yeah, shout out to you, Finno. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Wow, it went up 22% today. Yeah, this really ran at the end of the day. So, yeah, actually, $1 is very possible. If this breaks 82, this should run to $1 relatively easily. There's like really no resistance holding this back after this breaks 82. And the gap did get filled at 40, which I said that was going to happen, and now it's running back to the upside. So, yeah, RSI is currently at 50. So according to the RSI, the current price 57 is fair market value, very average, running in the aftermarket here. So that's a good sign for Monday. Yeah, kind of low-key looks like it's squeezing again. So, yeah, actually $1 looks very, very possible. And this should actually go up to $2 eventually, because there's a gap at $2. So yeah, longer term looks really bullish. So good luck to you, Finno. You said 38 average, so you're already up quite a bit. So yeah, so congrats so far, and good luck to you, dude. Looks pretty good. I'm looking forward to the Benzinga meeting with Mullen CEO Sunday. I didn't even know that was a thing. But yeah, this Mullen CEO, what's his name? Mitchery, David Mitchery. He loves going on TV. He loves doing PR tours. So we'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna be honest, this guy says a whole lot of nothing. This guy's very charismatic. He knows how to get people talking. He knows how to, stir up excitement and stuff like that. But when it comes time to deliver, he is absolutely nothing. So I think it's gonna be more or less the same. Maybe Monday or not Monday, but Tuesday. Monday's closed. Maybe Monday there'll be a Mullen run because of whatever the CEO says, but then it goes right back down. So we'll see what he says. But every time he says something, it's more or less the same. It's just a lot of talk, no action. But yeah, very curious to see how that goes. But I'm very, very skeptical about the CEO. I'm gonna be honest. He's he's a fast talker. Really reminds me of Trevor Milton, Nikola 2.0. But yeah, keep me updated on you guys keep me updated on what's happening with Mullen. If you guys want, join Discord. You don't have to be live here every day. You could join Discord, link in the description, and we can chat whenever you want. Squeezing because shorts aren't holding over a long weekend. Yeah, that is true. That is true. That's probably something to do with it. But I don't know why this is squeezing and EVFM is not squeezing. Very odd. Tuesday, people are going to be hungry to gamble. Yeah, extended weekend, need your fix. Every day people are excited to gamble, but every day people lose money in this market. All right, let's get back to the articles. All right, so today, guys, got 4 articles. One about BlockFi and FTX, one about El Salvador, one about SpaceX and Doge 1, and one about the monkeypox. So let's do it. First article, BlockFi will be acquired by FTX US for up to $240 million. BlockFi has confirmed that FTX US will be acquiring the firm for up to $240 million. And BlockFi will also receive a $400 million rolling credit facility from FTX US. So we've been talking about this all week, really. BlockFi is going through some liquidity issues right now. FTX gave them a $250 million loan, and then we got some more news that yesterday, I think, that FTX might be buying them for $25 million, and BlockFi came out and denied that. Not that they were going to get bought, but they denied that it was for $25 million. So we're getting some more news today. Here's an update. So it's not $25 million. It's going to be $240 million plus $400 million credits. So $640 million deal. But yeah, it looks like BlockFi is going to survive. And it's now owned by FTX. FTX owns everything now. Stuff is crazy. So yeah, update to BlockFi and FTX. That story we've been following this week. All right, next article. President, is it Bukele or Bukele? I'm going to say Bukele. President Bukele says thank you for selling cheap as El Salvador buys more Bitcoin. So El Salvador buys another 80 Bitcoin, but total losses still come in at the tens of millions of dollars. All right. So, El Salvador, shout out to El Salvador. First country to legalize Bitcoin, or as legal tender. And I like this guy a lot. Young guy, El Salvador president. I think he's doing the right thing, but, Bitcoin's been getting wrecked, so the citizens can't be too happy with this. But over the long term, I think he's the right idea here. So yeah, he bought 80 Bitcoin at 19K. Really good entry, in my opinion. So now I think they're at 2,300 Bitcoin in total. And still down 61 million in total. So yeah, they're at 2,300 Bitcoin, worth $105 million, average price 46K. And yeah, El Salvador is down 61 million, up to date. And yeah, average cost 45K. So yeah, El Salvador, this guy, super ape. I like it, I respect it, but honestly, I don't know if this can't be going over too well with these citizens. They must be pretty pissed about this. They're just wasting, public funds here to fund this ape addiction. But it should pay off in the long term. So, yeah, I support this guy. Right idea, just really bad timing. And I'm not sure how the term limits work in El Salvador, but I actually wonder how popular this guy is. I think he's pretty popular. So far he's been wrong on Bitcoin, but it'll come back. So, yeah, buying the dip again. He bought a lot of dips already. So, yeah, update on El Salvador. Next article about SpaceX and Dogecoin. And I was happy to hear this because this is one of the reasons why I bought Doge, and this never happened. So, and then everyone's in limbo. Like, is it gonna happen? So now we're getting some news here, some updates. So, SpaceX's Doge 1 mission to the moon reportedly still on despite delays. So yeah, so this was supposed to launch in spring. That's what they said, spring 2022. That never happened. It's now summer. But now Michael Sheets says the mission is still on. It'll be December 2022. So first spring 2022, now December 2022. So yeah. So it's good to hear that the mission's still on. It might get delayed again, but at least it's still on. Because, yeah, I was pretty pissed. This never happened. One of the reasons why I bought Doge. So, yeah, you know. We'll see if this actually launches in December. But good news to hear. Bullish for Doge. Still happening. Dogecoin is literally going to the moon still. Alright, and last article here. This has nothing to do with financials. Or indirectly, I guess. But we got some news about the monkeypox. So, an update here. Because, this was a big thing, what, like a month ago, 2 months ago? And don't really hear about it too much anymore. But apparently this is still a thing, and it's spreading. So WHO, World Health Organization, says monkeypox cases triple in Europe in 2 weeks. Urgent action needed to contain spread. So Henry Kluge, head of WHO, called on governments to ramp up efforts to prevent monkeypox. He says the spread is an emergency event, in quotes. He said not to stigmatize gay men because that is the primary group that has monkeypox. So yeah, this is like a, this is not a pandemic, but this is like a slow spreading virus. And it sounds pretty scary, so I'm glad I'm not over there in Europe right now. But yeah, this is this was a thing, and it's still a thing that people aren't really talking about. So yeah, monkeypox is still out there. Be careful, guys. Stay safe. Alright, guys. And here comes the first siren of the day. They're pretty good. It's been 35 minutes. I haven't had a siren. There's the first one of the day. Alright, guys, so that's all the articles for today. Good stuff, good stuff. So, mostly minor news. But, yeah, pretty interesting stuff. And let's get on to the TA now. Yeah, PayPal is like a virus eating me alive. Yeah, PayPal's been pretty rough. It's like low-key a meme stock now. I mean, so is I feel the same way with Netflix, It's like a meme stock now when it was never supposed to be one, and pretty underwater on an investment that, you thought was a relatively safe one. So, yeah, I don't know PayPal, but I feel you, dude. I feel you, Finno. I feel the same way with Netflix. And Bitcoin. No matter what you buy, everything's going down. What it seems like, at least. Alright. BBIG. Alright, guys, so we're doing really good on time here. It's only 4:37. We've only been going 37 minutes, and all we got left is one TA and the Yolos. And yeah, it looks like people aren't chatting much, so we may get done pretty early here. Probably finish around 1:30. Not 1:30, 5:30. Alright, let me check YouTube real quick. Yeah, I wonder why no one's really watching today. I guess it's nice outside and people got lives, but usually Friday's more popular. That's right though. YouTube says 3 viewers, 10 likes. So yeah, it looks like most people dipped. But shout out to everyone who's still here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Please smash the like button if you haven't yet, guys. And let's do BBIG. And if you guys want me to look at any charts or have anything to say, put in the comments right now. And we'll get to that after I'm done with this TA here. Alright, so yeah, BBIG. Only TA today. Shouldn't take too long. Got my notes right here. And then we'll get to the Yolos. Let's do it, guys. Take a drink real quick. Because it is hot as hell. Sweating like crazy here. Wish I had central air, because can't turn my AC or the fan on during the show because there's too much background noise. But I'm suffering here. I'm sweating bullets. Alright, BBIG, let's do it, guys. So here is BBIG Vinco Ventures. This finishes at $1.27 today. That is down 7.97%.
And it's gone.
Machete says he's listening. Well, yeah, Machete, shout out to you, Machete. Always lurking, always here. Appreciate you. All right. So we've been covering this stock for a while now. Almost a year since this first squeezed. Over $12. I remember when that happened, I said it was coming back to 3 to fill the gap, and a lot of people were unhappy with that. Got a lot of hate, but eventually this did come back down to 3. And for whatever reason, the retail apes still really, really like this stock. Ape's still strong here. So there was a lot of drama with the Cryptyde dividends. Took almost a whole year for that to get distributed. And that went live yesterday. Cryptyde IPO'd yesterday. So that IPO'd at $3. It went down. It went down a lot yesterday, and I believe today it went down a lot too. So last time I checked, Cryptyde was at 130. So down over 50% in 2 days. Pretty nasty, pretty nasty. And I'm not really sure why BBIG sold off so much after the Cryptyde dividends got distributed. But here we are. And this did make top 10 on StockTwits today. How many mentions did this have? Had over 3,000 mentions, so once again we're going to analyze it. So no company-specific news to justify this price action today. Again, it just seems like the Cryptyde dividends was a sell the news event. So the apes got paid out and dumped it immediately. Which honestly is pretty logical because I'm sure a lot of bag holders just wanted to recoup some losses. Kind of expected that. But all right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. Oh, PZ. Yeah, PZ doesn't like when I talk about BBIG. But we're going to do it again today. We're doing BBIG today. GLNCY. I don't know what that is, but we'll check it out after we're done here. Okay. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Not sure where the bottom of the cup is, because we are setting lower lows here. But there can be multiple possible tops. Let's see here. It can be 305, 340, 375, or 555, and longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be the high of 1250. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And then we do have a quintuple gap down. First gap down is back at 955, so that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 955 to fill that gap. And here. Second gap down is at 745, so another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 745 to fill this gap. Third gap down is at 585, so another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 585 to fill this gap. Two more. Fourth gap down is back at 275, so another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 275 to fill this gap. And final gap down is at 190. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 190 to fill this gap. So we rarely see a quintuple gap down. Triple gap down is pretty hard to come by, but quintuple gap down, haven't seen too many of these before. So that is extremely bullish. And then descending triangle. And here we did have a descending triangle. This was consolidating between $2 and $1.90. And then it was due for a breakout to the downside. So the descending triangle was a bearish indicator. And it did in fact break out to the downside. We are getting confirmation now. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. BBIG is the ex-girlfriend with the good, but she burnt you once. Yeah, you got to keep coming back for that good, right? That wet. I feel you, dude. Bad idea. Terrible idea. But, yeah, it's hard to resist. I feel you, dude. She got that good because she crazy. Yep, never again. Plenty of fish out in the sea. Plenty of stocks. You don't got to be attached to this one. Alright, I think we'll go to 3. Sure. Yeah, we'll go to 3. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 135 and 110. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 135, 145, 160, 175, 195, 215, 225, 240, 250, 265, 275, 285, 295, and then 305. There is resistance above 305, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 110, that's actually it. Next level of support would be 110. And I think that is the all-time low. Yes. And 110 is the all-time low, so no support below that. So right now at the current price, 127, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. $265. However, if/when this breaks 265 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 265. RSI is currently at 25. So this is officially in oversold, undervalued territory. So this could be a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And this did 12 million in volume today, which is below the average of 26 million. So the sell-off today was not confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So $2 was some critical support. Retested that a couple of times, couldn't quite break it. But we did get some massive selling pressure. And unfortunately, this did break the $2 support and went way lower. So up to this point, I've been saying that $2 appears to be a pretty good entry. And it can't go too wrong. And now at 127, my stance is the same. You really can't go too wrong here. This is near the all-time low. A lot of bullish indicators. Really no bearish or neutral indicators at this point. So yeah, the stock appears to be really bullish in the short and long terms. Again, we have the bullish indicators. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, quintuple gap down, and low RSI. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Looks like a really good entry to me. Again near the all-time low. Oversold, undervalued. And a lot of upside potential in the short and long terms. So I think the current price, 127, is an excellent entry. Really can't go too wrong here. Very cheap. Great time to buy the dip. As a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. He didn't literally say that, but he said be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. And fearful when others are greedy. So now's a good time to be greedy when others are fearful, and this is selling off. So yeah, I can't support going long at the current price, 127. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the support of 110. That is the next and only support. So if it goes lower than that, then we're gonna be in uncharted territory. So hopefully that does not happen. And once again, this should come back up to 955 eventually to fill the gap. So from the current price of 127, let's do the math. $7.5, 650. So from the current price of 127, that would be over a 650% upside. So huge upside potential here. And this really shouldn't go too much lower. It's already pretty much at the all-time low. So I would say going long here would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. Really don't have too much to lose here. Huge upside potential, not too much more downside potential. So I don't really expect this to squeeze or anything like that. If it does, then great. But I would treat this as a long-term buy and hold. Got to be patient. Looks really bullish in the short and long terms. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I will not do that, and I would not recommend that. For the same reasons I said to go long, all bullish indicators looks extremely bullish, looks extremely strong in the short and long terms. Huge upside potential, not too much more downside potential. So I think it's a bit too late to go short here. Should have went short anywhere from 12 to 2. And here at 127, this is near the all-time low. I think you missed a chance. It's a bit too late to go short here. So I would say going short here would be a very high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make any sense to go short here. You're asking for trouble. Probably going to get burned. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But I really don't see why you would go short here. Seems like a really bad idea. So pretty straightforward, guys. It's been a really rough year for this stock. Ape still love it though. It's a good thing that the Cryptyde dividends finally got distributed. But unfortunately, both BBIG and TYDE and TYDE are selling off because of that. Buy the rumor, sell the news event. So before, when this was holding at 2, it looked really strong. So before, when this was trading around 2, it was already a buy. Here at 127, this is most definitely a buy. Really can't go too wrong here. Looks extremely bullish, very strong in the short and long terms. So if you want to go long, I can't support going long at the current price. Excellent entry. Really shouldn't go too much lower. If it does, then you can average down at 110. And yeah, huge upside potential. So it should pay off in the long term. And if you want to go short, I would not do that. Don't see why you would do that. Again, looks extremely bullish in the short and long terms. Already pulled back very significantly. Not too much more downside. Huge upside potential. So it doesn't logically make too much sense to go short here. Don't see why you would do that. If you want to go short, do it at your own risk. But seems like a really bad idea. So I'd stay away from this one. So I would stay away from this one on the short side. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBIG Vinco Ventures. Alright, guys. So that is it. That is all the TA for today. Actually got through that pretty quickly. Because I don't think too many people are chatting. But yeah. So that's it for the TA. BBIG. What's up, Ken? What's up? Can you take a look at TYDE scam? I'm bag holding. Rara Coco fault. BBIG no TYDE. I mean, we can look about TYDE. We can look at TYDE. But there's nothing to analyze. There's a whole two days of red here. But what I can tell you is, go. How's it go from 313 to 139? Or 313 to 133 in one day? You gotta be kidding me. Why are they selling TYDE so deep? Because everyone is bag holding and wants to get their money back. That's why everyone's like, screw it. I'll just take whatever I can get. I'm out of here. So you should have dumped your TYDE, dude. So, I mean, it's still worth something. But yeah, you should have dumped it yesterday and bought it back today. That would have been crazy. So, no, it's not Rara Coco's fault, but he definitely is a negative influence, a bad influence on a lot of apes. Not totally his fault, though. But, yeah, you know, he really shouldn't be going around telling people to buy this. So, yeah, can't really analyze here, but good. So, what's your plan, Ken, with TYDE? You gonna hold it or sell it or what? Alright, guys, good stuff. So that's it for the TA. Let's get on to the Yolos. Give me 1 second to pull that up. Yeah, we might actually finish in like 15 minutes. This is a really, really short show. Surprising, because, yeah, Friday's usually better day for streaming. That's cool, that's cool. You know, yesterday was a really busy show, so today is really chill. So I guess it balances out. Yeah, I guess people are outside getting ready for July 4th. Enjoying the nice weather. Alright, let me get this pulled up. And please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Alright, gonna give this a second to finish loading, and we'll finish up here with the Yolos. Anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, charts? Anything you want me to look at? Put in the chat right now. We'll get to that. Otherwise, we'll just finish up here with the Yolos and call it a week. In my opinion, I think TYDE was a good catalyst, but they pump faked too many times and lost investors. Well, yes, that was definitely part of the problem. They kept misleading investors for a whole year. That definitely was not good. But I don't know. This whole special dividend thing is pretty shady to me. I didn't really pay attention to special dividend too much before MMAT happens, but after MMAT, I was like, damn, I'm never buying anything with special dividends. And then BBIG happened, which is just, MMAT 2.0. So it was a good idea, good incentive, but yes, absolutely. They dragged it on for too long. I don't think that was like the primary problem, but yeah, that definitely very off-putting to a lot of investors. Very unprofessional. Hold it, free money. I mean, it is free money. Well, free money because you lost on BBIG, but all right, dude. Diamond hands. Cool. SPY and TQQQ red or green Tuesday. You know what? I'm gonna go with green. I don't have a crystal ball, and that's just a guess. That is not financial advice. But I don't know. I have a feeling that July is gonna be pretty good. We got a little bit of momentum here. Great way to end the week, start the month. And I don't know. I think after the worst half year in 50 years, something's got to change here. So I don't know. Maybe I'm just drinking the hopium right now, being a little bit ambitious. But I'm gonna go with green. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Calls or puts. I said calls or puts are on Nvidia. I'm gonna say calls. Honestly, I'm gonna say stock. I'm gonna say buy stock. But if there's no option between calls or puts, I'm gonna say calls because look at the chart here. And David, haven't seen you before, so welcome to the show and the community. I'm gonna go with calls because if we look at the chart here, looks really bullish. Multiple gap downs, triple gap down, yearly low, RSI's at 35, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but it's pretty cheap, and looks like it's cup and handling. So yeah, definitely not puts. So honestly, I'd go with shares because I'm just a little bit more conservative and safe, but yeah, definitely not puts. Calls or shares, I would say. So a shout out to you, David. A lot of people won't sell. Call option went up though. Let's see. Yeah, because IV went up, so that's probably why call options went up. Oh right, GLNCY. My bad, Peasy. Get to that right now. Check out what happened to Nvidia this week. Calls or puts? Yeah, calls for sure. Leaps though, leaps. Anything 6 months and out. I go with the furthest strike. I don't play around with these FDs. They're gonna expire soon. So if you're gonna play calls, buy leaps. That's what I would recommend. Not financial advice. Leaps or shares, I would say. TYDE Overstock 2.0. Why you say Overstock 2.0? I used to be an Overstock. I sold at like 120. I made out like a bandit, and then it crashed after that. I think first 2 weeks are going to be good. I hope so. I sure hope so. One can hope, right? Short Amazon, it's going to 20. If you want to, dude, I certainly would not short Amazon. I think that's a pretty bad idea. It's not going anywhere. Shorting a blue chip value stock like that can work out though. Not saying it's not going to work, but long term is definitely not going to work. So that's a quick scalp. I wouldn't do it, but knock yourself out, dude. The Fed will talk and it's gone.
And it's gone.
Yep, you're right. Not all the time, but most of the time when the Fed talks, it crashes. Are they scheduled to talk next week? Is there actually a meeting or something? Yeah, I picked up some calls today before close. All right, shout out to you, David. Good luck. If you want to share strike and expiration, if you don't mind, you don't have to. Yeah, this is a growth and value stock. Not going anywhere. Great future. So I do support the calls. I'm just worried about if it's going to expire. Worthless. Expire out of the money before you can reach your strike. But, yeah, you know, long term, this should pay off. Raw Coco said short Amazon, it's going to 20. Damn, they talk too much and do nothing. Did he really say that? So he's gonna say he's gonna say buy Redbox, buy AMC, buy BBIG, and short Amazon. Bro, I can't with these YouTubers, these financial YouTubers, You know, they're not even. They don't have any credentials. It's just a guy screaming moon. Believe me, look at me. I'm smiling. Do I look worried? No. I'm buying more. You should buy more.
Bruh.
Yeah, so, you know, saying nuclear MOAS was a red flag in itself, but if you're saying short Amazon, no, no one listens to this guy. No one listens to this guy. I mean, honestly, you guys should do your own research and not listen to anybody, including myself. But, you know, but that guy's on some other stuff. He must be, I don't know, on the nose candy or something. He's crazy. I think it's the 14th or 15th. Okay. I didn't know that. But alright, we'll see what happens then. But probably not gonna be good. What you got there for us, Machete? Alright, we'll get to that. Dell took a beating today, minus 7%. Yeah, TYDE was the worst performing index. But it wasn't the greens, that's a bit weird. But yeah, some tech didn't do too good today. AMD and Nvidia. I think Intel did bad too. Yeah, that sucks. Alright, well, what are we looking at? GLNCY. Alright, OTC, Glencore, PLC. Okay. So, first of all, you know, be very careful with the stuff, OTC. But it looks pretty good. Can't really go on the gaps here because there's gaps everywhere. But RSI is at 33, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but pretty much there. Probably was there earlier today at 10. So actually 10 does look like some pretty strong support. I don't have the lines drawn here, but I'm just visualizing this. 10 looks like some pretty strong support. Critical support. So, I like this one. I like this one. I like the entry of 10. I like the entry of 10. Should be a really, really good entry. May go lower than that, but, yeah, I think 10 would be an excellent entry here. And it does look pretty strong long term, so. Yeah, risky stuff because it is OTC, but not financial advice. I would say 10 is a good entry. So if you can get this, you know, soon for around this price, a little lower, looks pretty good long term. So this looks good to me. Looks bullish. So good luck to you, Peasy. I'm waiting to get back in at 860 again. Okay. 860. That'd be a really good entry. That'd be a really, really good entry. That's near the yearly low. All right, dude. That's cool. So, yeah, dude, sounds good. Set your buy orders to 860. If it doesn't go to 860, whatever, you know, move on. If it does, great, you know, great entry. Really, really good entry. So, awesome plan, dude. So, I like this. I like the chart. I like the plan. So, sounds good. Good luck to you. Hope it works out. Praying for some fat tendies. Short Amazon LMFAO. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know why you would. That's just stupid. to be honest, no other way to put it. I've never had luck with OTC ever. Lol. Yeah. Me either. I haven't really had too much success with OTC. I don't really mess with it, but a lot of people in the community do mess with OTC. But it's not my area of expertise. So you know, not that I don't recommend it. But it's risky stuff, so careful, guys. IMPP doing good. What's up with IMPP? Yeah, it's recovering here. Still got a long ways to go to get back up to $1, but it's recovering here. What up, B-Flam, and what up, Wilson? What's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate you guys as always. Mullen is still alive. What do you think? Yeah, it did pretty good today, right? I mean, I just dropped a video yesterday on Mullen. Actually, you were here for that, weren't you, B-Flam? So, it is still alive. And it does look pretty bullish long term. But yeah, yesterday I said that $1, you know, the current price is a pretty good entry already. But the way I would play it is try to get this back at 60 cents. Not saying it will go back to 60 cents, but there's a gap there. So there is the chance of that. And I think that'd be a super excellent entry. You know, that's like literally the all-time low, near the all-time low. And you can't really go too wrong at 60 cents. So, no, $1 is pretty good already. I can support that, but I think there is a chance it goes back down to 60, and if it does, then, you know, great buy. And if it doesn't, then whatever. So, yes, I think it's still alive, although, you know, you never know with the stock. Always surprises you. Or it doesn't surprise you anymore. Surprised me, at least. All the shenanigans going on. So yeah, it looks bullish long term, but in the short term, I try to get this back at 60. I appreciate you, B-Flam. Appreciate everyone here.
I appreciate you.
So in summary, yeah, anything $1, 60 cents, I think it's a good buy on Mullen right now. And yes, it's still alive, but I treat it as a long-term hold and not really a short squeeze play. What's a OTC? Over the counter. It's one of the stocks you just what do you just tell me to GLNCY? Yeah, see it says OTC here, other, because it's not listed on the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. It's trading on the OTC market, over the counter. It's basically just, you know, riskier stuff. Low float, riskier stuff, high risk, high reward stuff. But OTC does not trade on the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ and stuff like that. It's a different exchange. Hope that answers your question. And, yeah, guys, please smash the like button if you haven't yet, if you're coming in. And it looks like more people are coming in towards the end of the show, which is cool. We're just chilling now for the most part. Wild West of the stock market. Yeah, you can think of it like that. Wild West of the stock market. There are rules though, but not as many rules. And yep, it's kind of like crypto. kind of like crypto. A little bit of a Wild West. What is a good put play? What's going to crash next? Well, I don't have a crystal ball, dude. But anything that squeezes, pretty much. Let's see. I don't have anything off the top of my head because everything is pretty down right now. But if something squeezes, it's a good time to short it. And also, again, I prefer shorting to buying puts. I'm not the biggest fan of buying options. Not saying it's bad, but it's a whole beast on its own. So I prefer to go short actually than to buy puts. But yeah, what's gonna crash next? Really couldn't tell you, dude. But I would say look for stocks that have been going up, stocks that have been squeezing pretty much. You know, when Redbox squeezed, that was a good time to short it. When Mullen squeezed, that was a good time to short it. When BBIG squeezed, that was a good time to short it. So look for short squeezes. Look for these meme stocks. And you don't want to short it down after it pumps. So as of right now, there's no like popular meme stock. Nothing is like squeezing at the moment. Maybe ENDP. Not financial advice, but so I don't have anything specific to recommend at the moment. But I would say anything that's a meme stock and that squeezes, you know, pretty easy money. Pretty easy money. You just got to catch it, you know, at the top of the short squeeze. So just got to be patient. Yeah, sorry I don't have a, you know, actual ticker or stock to give you. But yeah, generally anything that moons, any meme stock, anything that moons. Yeah, but you get Ivy Crush with it, goes up like that low. Yeah, that's why I don't like buying options. Because Ivy Crush, you know, you can get a really good entry and still lose money because of Ivy Crush. So that's why I prefer shorting. Or selling options. I'm a big fan of selling options. Take advantage of the high IV. I'm not the biggest fan of buying options. But yeah, this is all my opinion, though. You know, not financial advice. This is just the way I play things based on my experience. And this is, you know, my opinion as a financial professional. All right, let's get back to the Yolos, guys. I got one more, if you don't mind. ATUS, sure. Okay. This one's pretty decent. So this is a yearly low, or near the yearly low, near a 3-year low, actually. RSI is at 48, though, so that's actually pretty average. There's a lot of gaps here. Two gaps. So, so 2 gap downs, big cup and handle. RSI is very average. MACD is crossing to the upside, though, so. This one looks pretty good as well. It's not like a slam dunk. It's not like a super excellent entry. Average entry here. But when you think of it in terms of like this is a 3-year low, then maybe it is a pretty good entry. And yeah, it looks pretty bullish. You know, double gap down, cup and handle. So this should eventually come back up to 33, 33.50, whatever this is. So yeah, this looks like a long-term hold. Long-term hold. I'm not exactly the biggest fan of this entry right now, but it's pretty decent. And it looks really bullish long-term. So I can't support going long here, although I'm not the biggest fan of the entry. But long-term, a lot of upside potential. Hope that answers your question. All right, guys. Back to the YOLOs. So today I got 9 YOLOs, a lot of memes, a lot of lost corn, and I think 1 gain corn. So this should be fun, nothing too serious. Let's do it, guys. And please smash the like button. This one is by The Silence. Coffee shop in Daytona. Looks more like a pizza shop, but nice, nice. Wall Street Bets mural. Where did they get this? Did someone paint it? Or did they buy it? That's pretty cool. I should probably get one. That's really cool. I like that. Okay, next one. By Caroline765. There was never a trolley problem. Move on. So all you can do is watch it. So I can relate to this. I feel this one. So here's the train car. And your people tied up on the railroad like Red Dead Redemption. This is real life Red Dead Redemption here. Inflation, which is the train car. Stock market, my portfolio, my life savings, my life. So I feel this one. I'm here on this scale right now, on the my portfolio. So not at my life savings or my life yet, but my portfolio definitely feels it, and I feel this. So yes, very relatable meme here. All right, by HCY098. I guess I'm not wrong. So I feel like this is how we are going to be trolled next week by the market. So this is very accurate. And we're getting the, what is this? The middle finger indicator? Or is this the cock and balls indicator here? It's a head and shoulders, but, you know, I call it the cock and balls. Yeah, so we got a middle finger, head and shoulders, cock and balls indicator. Looks pretty bearish. But But yeah, the market's trolling everyone. Jay Powell's trolling everyone. He said, F your calls. He said, F your puts. Everyone loses here. So, nice little indicator here. Cock and pulse chart pattern detected. Yep. Pretty flaccid indicator though. You know, this could be a higher top. I've seen better. But yeah. Shout out to the middle finger cock and balls pattern. Alright, by double ad 397. Guys, not trying to brag, but I'm starting to get pretty good at this. Yep, another one I can relate to. So here's a falling knife. And I've been catching these all year. Been catching those falling knives, been catching those L's. I buy the dip, keeps on dipping. So, yeah, you know, feel like a clown this year. And yeah, you know, I think I'm pretty good at buying the dip. Pretty good at catching falling knives, so very relatable. Wall Street Bets got me in my feelings today. It's in winter seasonality. That's a good one. All right, next one. Oh, this is a good one. This is our boy Trayvon James. I think this was back when he was with BitConnect. But yeah, here is the legend himself, Trayvon James. Let's watch this. Oh, what'd I just do? All right, Reddit's bugging out here. Hold up.
Listen up.
All right.
You didn't lose your money.
How's it not working? Oh, man. Yeah, I don't know if I can do this one. Reddit's bugging out. Come on. I don't think I can do this one, guys. Reddit's bugging out. But he basically says, you didn't lose your money. Well, technically, you did lose your money. But it's not a loss unless you sell, right? Unless you realize it. But yeah, shout out to Trayvon James. That kind of sucks. YouTube is ruining it here. But he's like, you didn't lose your money. Well, technically, you kind of lost your money. All right, on to the actual corn here. So no more memes. By Cali's Finest. Almost a millionaire, but traded it for karma. Lol. Did what I do every day and scalped SPX 0 days till expiration. Made a mistake by not cutting losers ASAP, so it got stuck by being down about 200K. But held on and ended up being up 401K.
Bruh.
Alright, so here we see a bunch of SPX FDs. That's how you know you're a baller, when you play SPX and not SPY. So, yeah, here's this 200K loss. And here's his 400K gain. So, yeah, I couldn't even imagine swinging like this, like holding swings like this. Down 200K, bruh. And then how do you hold that to be up 400K? This is insane. This is some of the better gain and loss corn we've seen in a while. This is very impressive. Impressive all around. Just impressed by how not safe this is. how ridiculous and stupid this is, how much money this is, and how it actually worked out in the end. Very impressed. I don't recommend you guys do this, but sometimes you get lucky. This guy got really, really lucky, and I'm glad he did, because he'd be down 200k. But yeah, good loss, good gain coin here. Very, very well done. So Cali's Finest, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Glad it worked out. This is insane. You should probably not do this in the future, because you probably will lose your money eventually. But shout out to you. Enjoy the attendees, and good luck in the future. All right, this is by CZR 2100. What is CZR? Sounds really familiar. CZR to 100. This is where I belong. Thanks for nothing, Wall Street Bets. Listen to Ozzy Osbourne's song on repeat. Delete your self-solution now. Alright, so there's not much to go off of here, but margin call 842k.
Bruh.
And it's gone.
I did not mean to hit that. But you know what? That works. That works. So, yeah, I really want to know what the hell this guy did. This has to be like a millionaire with a gambling problem, and he just went like all in margin, YOLO. Yeah, I really don't know. But yes, Machete, that is impressive. How do you lose 800k? How does one lose 800k on margin call? I don't know, but I have a feeling it's a combination of FD YOLOs and all-in max margin. And it sounds like this guy had quite a bit of money to even borrow that much money. So, I guess this is like the retail version of Bill Wong. Yeah. I don't know how this is possible, but pretty sick. And hope this guy's okay. But yeah, guys, expensive learning lesson. Chill with the FDs, chill with max margin, or any margin. Unless you want to be like this dude. So this is one of the more impressive lost coins we've seen in a while. So CZR to 100, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. I do feel bad because this really sucks, but not too bad because it's your own fault. And I don't know what you did, but it was pretty dumb. And yeah, dude, so shout out to you. Great lost corn. Thanks for the post. Hope you're okay. And good luck to you in the future. You know. Hope you still got money, and hope you're able to make it back somehow. All right, next one by Isaac Shear. Success is like being pregnant. Everyone congratulates you, but nobody knows how many times you've been effed. I'm just waiting for the success part, though. Trust the process? Oh, man. Trust the process if you got any money left. So, another guy who went in on the margin, FD and margin. So, his portfolio is negative 4,300. And in the past year, he's down 28k. 118%. So, yeah, you've been effed a lot, but you kind of effed yourself here. So, I don't know how much success you're going to get by effing yourself. But, you know, this isn't the worst thing in the world. 30k. I mean, that is a lot of money, but in the grand scheme of things, not really. And, could have been worse. So, maybe try to learn from your mistakes and then you'll see success, but I don't know how you've been effed this many times and not learn. So yeah, another tough one. Not nearly as bad as 800k, but down 28k and 4k in the hole. Another margin call here. So trust the process. How about you just trust yourself. Not do dumb things like this anymore. And, you know, try to learn and get better. Anyway, I'm just rambling now. But, yeah. So, good lost coin here. Sucks. But it's your own fault. Hope you learn from this. Not the worst thing in the world. And, yeah, hope you're okay. And you'll make your money back. Hopefully. Hope you learn and make your money back. Alright, last one. Let's read some comments real quick. He should be listening to a song called Cut Up, Depressed, and Alone by Loss. Is that a real song? Alright, we'll take a look at that video, Machete. Don't know what it is, but yeah, we'll take a look at your article in the video before we get out of here. David says, I 100x long Bitcoin at 62K, but I'm down big, but I use my wife's boyfriend's cards, so lol. Oh, where's the laugh? He let you? Funny thing is, there's actually people that actually did that. This is Korean ape guy, who does like 100x, 50x, these crazy crypto leverage plays, and it gets liquidated. So what you can do, David, is you can delete Robinhood. Just go on your app, right? You hit uninstall. Problem solved. Problem solved. Let your wife's boyfriend deal with that. If they come margin calling, nope. Delete. Change your number. That's it. All right, last one here. By ZTJE1 SPY. Well, I'm effed. All right, let's check it out. So kind of an yeah, these are FDs, not like super FDs, but FDs. So SPY 450 call.
Bruh.
What? All right, so we bought these June 10th. Expires August 19th. So 20K YOLO, 19.4K YOLO. Right now he's down 13K, 67%. Ouch. So yeah, this guy pretty much is effed, but let's check it out real quick. So June 10th. All right, June 10th. So he bought it at 390. And he thought this was going to go up to 450 in like 2.5 months.
Bruh.
Yeah, I don't know. This is just very, very ambitious. Yeah, I don't like the strike. I don't like the expiration. Not a super FD, but pretty bad FD here. And, yeah, probably going to lose 20K. So this would have paid off really big, but highly unlikely it would have worked. So at this point, he still has 6,400 in value here. 1.5 months to go. Bro, hit the sell button. Hit the sell button. If you don't, probably going to go to zero. There's still a chance, but looks really, really bad at this point. Looks really unlikely. So, you know, 6,400, a lot of money. Save yourself the money. Cut your losses. I know it sucks, but better than zero, right? But yeah. ZTJE1. Thanks, posting. Terrible play. All around really, really terrible. Bad strike, bad expiration, bad timing. Everything really bad about this. So you're already down a lot of money. At this point, save yourself. Do yourself a favor. Save yourself over 6K. Hit the sell button. Or don't. Or just diamond hands until zero. Either way, good luck to you. And please post updates. Alright. So that's it for the YOLOs. We got 2 more orders of business here. We got 2 links for Machete. Let's check it out. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the show. So anything else, questions, comments, concerns, charts, put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll just read this article and watch this video, and we'll get out of here. Let me check YouTube again real quick. I think most people are gone. We're just chilling now. Oh, 7 viewers. All right, so more people than before. So I appreciate everyone who's still here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
So slower show than usual, but that's all right. Today's nice, long weekend. So everyone's probably outside. But yeah, shout out to everyone who's still here. Appreciate you guys. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. And let's finish up here. Anything else? Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns, charts? Put in the chat right now. We'll get to that. Otherwise, we'll just finish up here. Why is it still loading? What's this? Economic calendar? Interesting. Not really sure what's going on here. A lot of different countries here. You can look at next week to see what's going to be coming up. Speakers or Fed reading. Oh, I got you. Yeah, I'm looking at today like, what's going on today? All right, let's go next week. So where's the USA? 3 and 6 month bill auction. I don't see anything. There's mortgage stuff. Yeah, I don't see anything that crazy going on here. Job report, exports, imports. Yeah, I don't see anything like that significant next week. Maybe I'm just missing it. So it's a pretty good resource. Thanks for that, Machete. Kind of unorganized and hard to read, but it is a good resource. Very useful. So a shout out to you. All right, last order of business. YouTube video. How long is this? Let's see. Oh, it is real. It is real. So I'm not gonna watch it. It's a very long song, and I don't want to get copyright either. But yeah, I thought you were being sarcastic. It's a link to a Lost, Cut Up, Depressed, and Alone. So it's it's yes, it is actually a song. He wasn't joking. He wasn't being sarcastic. But we're not gonna watch it because I don't want to get copyright and it's just too long. But I'll listen to it after the show. So shout out to you, Machete. The ones with the 3 gray stars are the ones that cause the most impact. Yeah, I gotta look at it again. I already X'd it out. But yeah, dude, seems like a really good resource. So I'll check it out for sure. Thanks for that. Yo. My bad. I just cussed. I just dropped my water bottle. Good thing the cap was on. But yeah, you always got the good resources, Machete. So always contributing to the community. Appreciate you. All right, guys. So yeah, it is 5:43. So I said 5:30 to 6, and we're finishing right in the middle here. So yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. So a great show, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. A little bit slow, but that's all right. Yesterday was one of the best shows ever. So kind of averaging out here. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. So pretty chill show. A few articles, one TA. Chilling here at the end with the Yolos. So yeah, great day here. Great end of the week. Great start to the month. Hopefully next week continues. We get some more momentum. And just a reminder, no show on Monday. No show on Monday. So happy July 4th, everyone. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend, your long weekend. Go have fun barbecuing, seeing the family and everything, family, friends. And I'll see you back on Tuesday. So anything else? Questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything. Put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we out of here. Beef fajitas for the win? That sounds delicious. Steak fajitas? I've had steak fajitas, never beef fajitas. But I love me some steak fajitas. Sounds delicious. I'm getting hungry now. Yeah, I'm going to eat good this weekend. So everyone enjoy your weekend, your long weekend. Everyone enjoy your July 4th. I think that's it. No one say anything. So we'll get out of here. Wilson's still here. Says happy July 4th, everyone. Let's barbecue this weekend. Yeah, hope everyone has a great weekend. July 4th. Spend time with your loved ones, friends, and family. Eat good. And, yeah, I'll see you back on Tuesday. Basically the same. Yeah, fajitas are great. Never had one during a barbecue. But that sounds delicious. I could use some right now. I kind of want one now. All right, guys, let's get out of here. So please smash the like button on your way out. Catch you back on Tuesday. And I'm lagging a little bit, so hopefully this fixes itself. Otherwise, just gotta redo it later. Carne asada, or is it carne asada best? I think I know what that is. It sounds really familiar. I don't know. I'll just talk about food. As me, got my stomach growling right now. That's what I'm about to go get, food, because I didn't eat today. So I'm probably gonna go blow one down, unwind, and enjoy my weekend. Y'all need to come down here to Texas. I'll fill y'all with some proper fajitas. I'll accept that offer. I don't know when the next time I'm gonna be in Texas is, but yeah, I got a lot of you guys in the community have offered to you know, if I come to your town, your state, take me out and stuff. So appreciate the offer. And yeah, Machete, you're Mexican, right? I think you said you're Mexican. So sounds like you can cook up some fire Spanish food. Oh man, I'm hungry. All right. Let's get out of here, guys. Catch you on Tuesday. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See ya, guys, on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Happy July 4th. Peace out.